contained a variety of body and animal parts, from frog legs to horse legs to human eyes.
What is Julie's ability?
It's really unhygienic.
I'm pretty sure she gets more stamina. But like, it's not, it doesn't give you stamina, it just like makes time you already have last longer. So you need to have that stamina.
The dance floor.
Hey, okay, you know what?
Okay,
Speedrun
okay.
strat. No, now he knows.
We're not even out of the
Call to
cutscene.
mind that still it's sad. Why are we
Oh, why would you do that? I hate this match.
I've got no
Shit, look at that.
so it's easy
Oh,
to pretend. I know you're
so
What the fuck?
Remember to rev up that chainsaw bar too.
Nigel, was that you?
Yeah, man. One more.
okay.
Alright.
I don't know any of them actually.
There you go,
man.
Be careful. Weird guys coming.
Oh, but I have no idea where I am.
You make it one bigger.
Yeah, I didn't think I could. My head
Okay, no.
Is that
Nigel
like
does
get
not
out?
care about Grandpa, bro.
Are they already out?
kind of thing.
I'll see you later.
Fuck you. Nigel, please move. Please. Fucking hell, Nigel, you're fucked. Oh, you've killed me again.
Are you dead, Lavin? Are you dead?
No.
Oh shit!
Van, my kill is really weak by the way as well.
Nigel, wallah, I'm finished.
Wait, what did you say?
Why is she quicker?
No, I
Nigel, I'm
mean
finished.
like cause I'm a low
Wait,
level,
wait.
so that's why.
Okay, you're good. You're good.
And these
Unlucky
guys
Bartek.
are all 8 million levels
Okay, I
higher
got
than
you now.
me,
I got you.
so,
Did you get the health? Did you get the health?
Swear.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
yeah.
Thank you so much, Nigel. Like, look, you betrayed me, but like, you made up for it.
Oh,
Oh, Judy.
hey Sam, where's
You in
the?
it, man. You just said you just apologize for
Wrong,
what?
what's
Fucking mind, nothing, man.
Oh my god.
You get him, Bartek?
Hey Lucas, where you?
Good boy, Bob.
Hey yo!
Hey, you see that? You see that, Liam?
What?
You see that? Okay, like, I'm like a shed or something.
I mean, I saw that, yeah. Yeah, I saw that, yeah.
Get his ass, he's on me.
Run, bro.
Ah, but I hadn't even seen Lucas.
Sorry, I was trying to try to switch from by George Michael.
Yeah, man, I don't know why
I think so,
the
Nigel.
victims are so overpowered in this game.
Sam, stop walking like you took a
I swear
dookie.
the victims are actually much
Yeah,
better
so he's
killers than actual
like
killers.
shit, fam.
My guy.
Wait, is the generator on? Is the generator on?
No, I'm turned it off, bro. What time the city might have
How do I
found
Can they
turn the
easily just turn on?
generator off?
there's a cooldown.
It's
So if they
Probably
just
over.
turn on, I'm just dead. I just can't get out. I'm stuck.
Unless you go to another exit.
Oh, dudes, I don't know how.
Bartek, do you remember where Lucas and Lemon escaped from? Okay, yeah, neither do.
you didn't revive Liam.
Nah.
That place is genuinely wide open.
Yeah, well, it took me like 5 minutes to find it, so...
Yeah, Liam, I can't lie, you got sat down, bro.
Sorry.
Hey Sam, boy, who's cook? Who's cook, by the way? Hey Sam, come back to the thing you just padlocked.
What thing?
Nigel.
You're doing too much talking, fuck.
I think I'm dead. I think I fucked up.
The cookiest man alive.
I think I fucked up.
Come on, just go crazy, just go crazy, just go crazy.
No, I
Zero
can't.
proficiency.
Yes, that's got 2 proficiency.
You're lucky he's dookie.
These guys are so
almost
shit.
cost you.
They're not even here. They're shit.
Wait, Nigel, why do you just spam it, bro?
Because it's
Or
gonna
does
break.
it break? Oh shit, it breaks?
Yeah.
Bro.
Please don't turn the generator on. Please don't turn the generator on. Please don't turn the generator on.
I did turn the damn. I turned the generator on like ages ago.
Yeah, man, you might as well cut, fam.
Nah, fuck
Go to
that.
those.
Fuck that, I don't give a fuck. Hey, who's that? Who's that? Who's that coming out?
Did they break themselves? Let us.
What? Nah, you guys got some money.
Oh, wait, what?
Yeah, I know, look.
Come on.
They should have learned that.
Yeah. Head's so bad in this game, fam. This month, bro.
Oh shit.
Yes! Please come in and kill this dude! Alright, thanks team. Alright, Barter, where were you the powerhouse? Where were you exactly? So,
Hey, I'm lucky that Sam used all his locks. I'm lucky that Sam used all his
oh!
Man, like, imagine he knocked you down and
locks.
you
If he locked this shit, I would have like... Alright.
No, I was trying to lock it, but I couldn't.
Hey!
just...
What wait, oh, you guys are exited from the rear. I thought you were at the main exit, cause I saw Sam at the... That's no, you know, that's why I said, hey Sam, come to the door you just locked, or like the exit you just locked, cause I thought you guys escaped from there. But then he put the second one lock. Oh my god.
Yeah, red means 2, by the way. If it's a red lock, there's 2. Blue, there's 1.